What is up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, it's me again, TeacherKevinPH, and we are back with another video. Hi there everyone! Well, it's me, Teacher Kevin, at sa mga hindi pa nakakakilala sa akin, ako po ay isang teacher na naka-base dito sa Philippines. Ako po ay isang English teacher at the same time, computer teacher. Kung first time mong dumalaw sa aking YouTube channel, huwag mo nang kakalimutang mag-subscribe at i-hit ang notification bell. Ako ay nag-upload ng mga educational videos such as computer tutorials, tech tips at marami pang iba. At bago tayo magpatuloy, ako ay mag-iiwan lang ng munting kataga na if you are given the opportunity to learn, grab it. Maraming salamat, magandang araw at magandang buhay. Alright, as you can see, I am already in my workspace in Adobe Photoshop CS6. And this time, I'm going to teach you how to customize an image. Alright, for example, adjusting its nose, adjusting its eyes, adjusting its head. For example, if that's a subject or if that's a person. Alright, we can actually do that one here in Photoshop. Alright, but of course, if this is your first time to visit my YouTube channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Oh my, let's do this. How to customize an image using Adobe Photoshop. This can also be applied in other Photoshop versions such as Adobe Photoshop CS3, CS7, or more. Alright? So, the first thing that we will do here is of course to make sure that we already have the image that we want to customize or that we will customize. Okay? First thing, let's open a new document. I'm going to choose a pixel in this one and 1000 by 1000 pixel since that's just it's just a cartoon character. I'll hit OK, 72 resolution, hit OK. Alright, so this is our new document, my dear friends. Okay, the next, let's open the image that we will customize or that we want to customize. Control N or Control O, and we will be redirected to where our images are. It's on my pictures. I have here, there you go, a screenshot. Click open. There you go. First, let me crop this image. Crop. And there you go. I'll just get this one. Enter. Then let's copy this file, or shall I say, then let's remove first the background of this image. How are we going to do that? Proceed to click here in the layers and make sure that this one is selected. Okay? Then proceed to our eraser tool, right click and choose magic eraser tool. Alright? Then hit on the plain, the part wherein it has a plain color background. It will be easier for us to remove the background of a particular image if there is a plain background. Alright? Click. There you go. We've just removed its image. We've just removed its background. Again, I'll repeat. Control C. Then proceed to your eraser tool. I'll choose magic eraser tool. Hit. There you go. Alright, now let's copy this image and let's put it in my. Then next, let's proceed to our marquee tool. I'll choose rectangular. You may also choose elliptical and more. Right? Then let's select this image, the part that we will copy. There you go. Control C. Then let's proceed back to our main paper. There you go. Control V or paste it. Control T to transform the image. Shift. There you go to make it balance. If you're going to resize it, you're just going to use left click. There you go. There you go. Now, my dear friends, how are we going to customize this one? For example, if we will remove its ears, if we will make its hat pointed, eyes, make it turn it if we're going to customize its eyes and make it in the center, we can actually do that one using the warp tool. All right, first make sure that your image is selected. Okay, then hit Control T. All right, then right click on your image, then choose warp. Okay, in here we may adjust its hat, make it even a little pointy. All right, and there are so many things that we can do, of course. Using these dots, my dear friends, we can actually customize this image. Right? There you go. You may just drag it. Okay. There you go. I'm gonna... There you go. Wow. The next one. There you go. It's like a manual way of resizing it. Alright? Then I'm gonna make his chin a little pointy. Or his face a little pointy. There you go. There you go. Wow. Okay. His head or his hat a little bigger. His head a little bigger. Let's make its head a little bigger. There you go. Wow. It's been customized. There you go. Then next, hit enter if you're already satisfied with your output. The next, what do we need to do? If, for example, I want his eyes to be in the center, right? First, select its eyes, all right? Using our quick selection tool. Right click, then hit quick selection tool. Then we may also zoom this one in, Control plus. Then let's select its eyes, my dear friends, all right? Select. There you go. I've already selected its eyes. Control C. Okay, to copy it. The next, I'm gonna put a cover in his eyes. Alright. Then I'm going to paste this one. Make sure that you will copy this one first. Okay, Control C. Then I'll put a cover. Right click using our shape tools here. I'm going to use ellipse tool. I'm going to use ellipse tool, but make sure you'll select first the color. I'm gonna choose white, of course. White, there you go. You may also choose different color as long as you want. Alright, there you go. Covered. Hit enter. Then Control V to paste the part of, or to paste the part of the eye that we've copied earlier. Control V. There you go. Control T. There you go. And let's just move it on the center. And we are good to go. You can also do this one in its eyes, face, nose, and more. There you go. Alright, that's it for our tutorial for today, my dear friends. Hope you've learned something. How to customize an image using Adobe Photoshop. Thank you so much and see you next time.